We're back.
We are.
Back today
You got
with
one of them funny little bottles again, haven't you?
one of them. This is Hounds of Hell, which is a collaboration sauce, I think, with Stray Dog Brewing Company, and of course Haico's hot sauce. So you can tell it's Haico because look, there he is. Look at that little face.
Aww.
Oh, it's so cute. This is an interesting one. This has got, well, I'm going to read this out. We have.
You're going to have to say it, aren't you? Because
I'm reading it out. Sorry. We have smoked habanero. We have Vidalia onions, which he let me know are sweet onions.
Yeah, because you did ask, didn't you? We were like, what the heck is a Vidalia onion?
Stray Dog Shaggin' Wagon IPA.
An interesting name.
Freshly squeezed orange and lime juice. Apple cider vinegar and garlic. So I'm not entirely sure what to make of this one from the ingredient list.
Because it's quite high up having the IPA in there, isn't it? As an ingredient.
Yeah, I mean, we've got, as the primary ingredient, we've got the habanero.
Yeah.
Okay, the smoked habs. Then we have onion.
And smoked habs, that's an interesting ingredient as well, isn't it?
And then we've got the beer. So I'm thinking this is going to have a little bit of spice to it, because, you know, top of the list is the smoked habanero. He's saying it's a medium.
I think it's going to be a little warmer than medium.
I have a feeling that it's going to be a warm one. Maybe not, you know, like crazy hot, but I think it's going to be a warm one. This was a Chasing the Sun Chilli Festival purchase from thechillishop.eu. Obviously, if you are over the puddle, then you can go to www.haico'shotsauce.com. But here in Europe and the UK, you want to go to the Chilli Shop and have a chat with Bob.
Yes.
He's a nice chap. So yeah, let's give this.
Yeah, I am intrigued by this one because I'm kind of thinking to myself, because you've got pale ale in there quite high up, and onions and habaneros, and I'm sort of thinking about how like like beer batter tastes, that you've actually got quite a flavour of ale or beer in there, that it could be quite prevalent, and that with smoked habaneros, which is, again, I've never had smoked habaneros that I've known of.
Give that a smell.
Oh, the smoke. You get the hab smell.
Mm.
First thing I got was hab smell, then you get the smoke. And there's almost that sort of slightly, I don't want to say yeasty smell, but that little hint of sort of the beer comes in behind it for me. I just get a little hint of it. Interesting.
Smoky.
It's a lovely smell, isn't it?
Ooh.
It's that kind
Careful with this one. It's
that proper sort of wood
quite
smoke
loose,
smell, isn't it?
so it pours quite easily. See the colour there?
It's got some bits to it as well, isn't it? That's
So,
a lovely colour.
in your face.
Oh, the super. Oh, it smells super hot. I guess that's the smokiness bit. Ooh. Hello. Wow. First thing for me, sweetness.
Yep.
Real sweetness that initially came through. Then you kind of got that smoky sort of flavour came through. I am getting like the pale ale, just a little bit in the background, but bam with those habaneros. I have got a full-on sting going on my tongue.
Still building.
And on my lips. All around the inside of my lips it's moved to. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo.
Whew.
I am salivating from that. So yeah, the smoke flavour is lovely. It's not overpowering. It's just got that beautiful, almost like oak smoked wood chip kind of thing going on in the background. Or if you get like an oak smoked ham, it's that same kind of flavour profile behind that. But the sweetness... I think I've actually got a little bit of sweat on my forehead as well. It's habaneros. Medium. No.
Haico, I love you, but you're broken as hell, man. That's a hot sauce.
That is as hot as any mixed super hot sauce that I've had.
That is a hot sauce. I don't know what they feed you in Canada. I mean, you know, you wake up to a breakfast of lava puffs and, you know, sort of magma on toast.
Yes.
Wow.
Great flavour.
Absolutely cracking with the smoked habanero there. Like you say, the smoked flavour just...
It's like applewood. It's got applewood smoked cheddar flavour to me in there without the cheese. And I'm sitting there thinking, if I was making a toasty and I was using applewood cheddar, a few drops of that in there.
The onion. I'm getting the onion. The IPA.
It just adds a depth.
It's subtle,
it?
but you can taste it.
Yeah.
Sweetness, I think, probably comes from the orange.
Yeah. Ooh,
Then you get the sharp lime, and the garlic, of course, just there. Nice little background note. But man, that's a warm one. That is... Maybe it's just this batch, you know.
Possibly.
Who knows? But yeah, that's got some heat to it.
I'm still going. My lips started to go off my tongue. I've got a little warmth in my throat.
I've got it here and
It's there,
at the
and
tip
it's-
of my tongue.
Lips. Ooh.
Very, very tasty. Definitely not one for the kids.
Definitely not. So I put that with a bit of if you had like a garlic flatbread, a few drops of that on a garlic flatbread
Yeah.
would be delicious. And if you could have cheese on it, like a cheesy garlic flatbread, that would be so nice on that. Smoke flavour would be fantastic with it. I'd even hasten that I'd probably put it with bacon. A few drops on a bacon sandwich to wake you up in the morning. Wow.
Heat-wise for you?
I would actually put that as a 5 for me. That was, I don't know, it was a surprise, but it kind of wasn't.
I would say, yeah, I would say that's, for me, a 5, maybe a 6. I can see too much of that being something, you know, if you went crazy when you were putting it on, I can see a few mouthfuls before you started regretting your life choices.
Yeah. But I've had
Very
water sauces
tasty,
that
but it has
Yeah.
got some, it's got some
yeah.
behind
So
it.
maybe then, if we're kind of going, if we made this like out of 10, and we're rating it as a 5,
It'd be in the middle.
maybe we're going chili head rating on here. Maybe.
Maybe we're just as broken.
We could be.
Cracking.
Really tasty.
Just starting to subside now. So yeah, check it out, thechillishop.eu, link in the description. Also, if you're to the side of Bond, then heicoshotsauce.com.
Because they all speak like that over there.
It's got some cracking sauces, he really has. Definitely get yourself over there and have a look. But that was Stray Dog Brewing Company, Hounds of Hell by Haico's Hot Sauce. Ooh. And I think that's enough from us for now.
Absolutely.
I'm going to go and suck an ice cube.
That's all that's left to say is thank you very much for watching.
Take care.
Hope you enjoyed it.
And we'll see you again in the next one.
Got that wrong.